everyone, Nina here. Waffle Flower has a special color combos release this month. There are stamps and dies to help you stay organized and get inspired shopping your own stash. They certainly helped me. The process is fairly straightforward, and there are many different ways to achieve your goal. So in this video, I'm going to focus on sharing some of my ideas and the tips and tricks I've learned from using these stamps and dies. My friend Kathy Racoosin from the Daily Marker happened to be in town, and I was lucky to have her in the studio for the shooting of this video. Let's get started. What I'm most excited about this release is the color combos, stamps and dies. I haven't been coloring and stamping for a while, and when I get started, I feel I need something to help me organize what I have and kind of rediscover my stash and get into the mood of crafting. That's why I need this color combo stamp set and how I came up with it. So here is the color combos stamp set. We have all the little squares that you can use to record your colors, either cardstock or ink or blending. Let us show you some samples.
Ink blending.
Yes, this is the ink blended samples on the little tag that we have a little die you can cut out with a reinforcer half for the top. And these are the tags that we use to record our color blending.
Aren't they gorgeous? And then you can write on the back or on the front what color combination you use.
And we have stamps.
So pretty.
We have stamps and dies. This is a color combos combo that has the dies with the squares that you cut out to blend and then mount it on your tag, so you have room to write down the name right in the right under it, right below it.
Under, below, same thing.
Okay. My favorite swatch to use for ink colors is this 4-square outline stamp. The stamped outlines are very helpful when lining up the solid quarter-square stamp from Color Combos for Ink Pad stamp set. Cut it out with a matching square die, and then you can add it to your Color Combos tag die. If you have a MISTI, you can mass produce these easily. This die that cuts out 6 2x2 squares is included in the Color Combos die set. Both the long and the short tag dies are also 2 inches wide. You can use either to help you set up the stamps on your MISTI. I'm using the Color Combos tag, the longer one here, but you can use the shorter one as well. Align your quarter square stamp to the bottom right corner of the score line on the tag, and now all you need to do is rotating your 2x2 square piece of cardstock to stamp all your colors. We have some more examples for the little small tag, and here are 4 colors of inks that we stamped using the Color Combos for Ink Pad stamp set. We have all the little things that fits into the outlines on the Color Combos stamp set, so you can record your stamping inks. So here's one example. You can also do vertical stripes. Here's triangles, some very cool some very cool shapes you can do with these. And of course you have the little numbers, which is on the color combo stamp set. We have number from 0 to 9 that you can, is that 0 to 9? Okay, yes, we have 0 to 9, so you can number it and with the number to record what color the ink is. Okay, so are there more? Yeah, here's another triangle example.
For all you guys who love to be so organized. I'm not as good at that, but I love visually. It's so gorgeous. I want to do it just because it's so pretty.
Yeah, I feel I've discovered so many color combos. Like this one, here are some just the cardstock I have.
So just during this process, you discovered new combos.
Yes, new combos and kind of inspiring color combos I can use. And these are just like shopping my stash. So I know what I have and I discover new opportunities to use them.
Yeah.
And for that smaller tag, we have many options as you see. We also have a bigger option. This is a color combo tag die. Color combos tag die that you can have 12 different colors. Usually when you buy inks, they come in 12 a set. So you can have all 12 on one tag. And this is my Distress Oxides. And I recorded the name on the back. So here's more inks. And here's Waffle Flower inks. I know you guys probably don't know we have inks. These are our inks. And I even did some that's embossing powder.
That was so smart.
Yeah, so it was really fun to do the embossing powder ones to kind of know. And I stamped using the little rectangle here, which is half of the square. So you can know how opaque your embossing powder is to see whether you want it on a darker cardstock for a different look.
I don't think to do it on dark cardstock, you know.
Yeah, and for
well, and this is the long tag. I think it's important to see that, you know, just for visual.
Yeah.
I love that it's so long.
Yeah, so this is also one of our people working in the office. Sunshine did these whole bunch. She swatched all her Distress Oxide inks on 3 different cardstocks. So she cut it out with the white cardstock and then blend all the inks and white cardstock, craft cardstock, and black cardstock. And she left a little bit so you can see the actual paper color. But then this is what the Distress Oxide color will blend on those different cardstocks. So it's very helpful reference and kind of therapeutic for her.
Oh yeah, that's
she
really
did
clever.
everything.
That must have taken forever. I love that.
I don't know. She said maybe a couple hours. And I think, you know, this would make a great bookmark too. Yeah.
You know, or for the planner people, a great, and you could do like a photo and then a stamped image or whatever. So it's not just for these tags.
As what Kathy says, you're not limited to use these stamps and dies for documenting your colors only. I use the vertical quartz die, the die that cuts out the combo squares into 4 equal parts vertically. I used it to create these quick reference labels for my Distress Oxides. I learned so much about the inks during the process, and I can't wait to play with them more. That's it for my little intro to the Color Combos release. I will leave you with some more inspiring samples from our amazing design team, and I'll see you again soon. You can find all the product links in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos coming your way. Thank you for watching. Bye!